Hello! Daghang salamat sa tanang pumunta dito. Akala ko 5 lang, but there's more than 5. To be honest, this show was almost cancelled kasi wala daw manonood. But I'm so grateful that you all came out for us. We don't deserve you, but we're so grateful that you're here. Sa lahat ng mga nag-perform din tonight, maraming salamat sa inyo. Alam ko mga hakot kaya talaga ng mga nag-perform din kanina. For sticking around, for staying curious about ano ba yung Rouge na yan? Parang hindi siguro, ano ba yan? Parang makagaganda lang yan. Galing namin. 10 years na ho kaming magkakabanda. 10 years na ho kaming band. Maraming nagtatanong sa amin, bakit hindi pa kayo sikat? Hindi din namin alam. Pero, thank you dahil nandito kayo. At siguro darating din yun. At sa tulong ninyo, maaabot din namin yung mga pangarap namin. Salamat po. We're going to change the mood a little bit. We're going to play some acoustic songs for all of you. But before that, I really want to connect energetically with everyone that we perform with. So I just want us to synchronize our breathing for just a second. Yeah, it sounds like sure. Let's do it. Yeah, let's all of us. Let's take a deep breath through the nose. And all of the stress in your life, breathe it out through your mouth in 3, 2, 1. Merong mga parang, ano ba yung breathe na yan? Sige na, i-try nyo na. Isa pa, ha? Sige, breathe. Breathing is the most important thing we do every day and we don't pay attention to it. When we're stressed, breathe. When we're sad, breathe. When you're anxious, breathe. Let's try this again. Let's take a deep breath through the nose, filling your belly and then expanding your lungs. Hold. And any part of you that doesn't believe in magic, breathe it out in 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the magic of Rouge. Welcome to the magic of female fucking power, guys. This is one of the most important cover songs I've ever done in our career. Maybe even one of the reasons why we're here. This song is called Kahit Maputi Na Buko, and it may very well be our song for each other. Nag-viral to noong 2018, 2019, 2017. It has over like 17 million views. And it has gotten us to a lot of places. We have met a lot of wonderful people because of this cover. And we love it so much and we want to share it with you. And we're also inviting Gian and Fran! Layo-layo niyo din eh. So, we're gonna invite her to sing with us.
Tsaka ito yung theme song namin sa isa't isa. at wala na ang tuhog ko.